Afternoon, people. Good morning, good evening, good night, and hello. I'm back again for another video. So this is just a bit of a catch-up thing, and to basically say why I'm not going to be active as much in the next 2 weeks, probably potentially 2 weeks. So I'll cut to the story short first. I have jewelry. I've been called to do jewelry service, so I can't do nothing about it. It's a potential of 2 weeks. I might get down and say don't need me, and then I can start banging some more videos out, but I can't do anything about that. So there is going to be possibly a gap where I can't do videos. If I get a chance doing it, obviously, I'll do them. So yeah, there's not a lot I can really do about that. The channel at the minute is thriving. The subs are going up. The views are really good. Everything's looking really good. It's where I want it to be. So I'm going to go in this video and show you the new banners I've got, the new logos I've got, the logos I want to put on t-shirts, and my plans of what I've got coming up in the next couple of weeks or so. So I hope you enjoy this little short video. It's obviously not a tutorial one, but yeah. Firstly, I'm going to show you the banner that I've got, and then I'll go through my new logo. The logos I'm going to hopefully have printed on some t-shirts for people if they want to buy. Yeah, so let's get into it. Let's start with my new banner for YouTube, and we'll go through my new logo and everything like that. So this is my new banner for YouTube. I've got some little bits that these sort of white markings out. So we've got the Actros here, we've got the top bit here, everything, and then we've got a car one here, only because I've done car reviews and I don't want to stop doing that. I'd like to do a bit more of that now and again, and obviously we've got other things coming that we'll do is car related too. So that's going to be my new banner for YouTube, a little bit more updated to what I had before. So hopefully you all like that one. So I'll go on to my logo now and what my new logo is potentially going to be. So this is my new logo for YouTube. So this is I'm going to have printed on my own t-shirt, and this is what is going to be my new logo for the channel and everything like that. So a little bit more updated to what I usually am, and yeah, I hope everyone likes it. It's obviously a little bit fresher to what I've had before. I had that one for like nearly 2 years or so. So this is what I think I'm going to have with my new one. Let me know in the comments what you think to it, and then I'll show you now some logo designs that I've done that I am potentially going to make as t-shirts, and see whether it's something you'd all be, something you all like, or if you don't like, or something I'm going to do different, then let me know. So this is the first one I'm thinking about having onto a t-shirt. Yeah, so that design on a t-shirt. So I've also got this one as well that I've done, which is a bit more basic with this one, but yeah, I've got also that one that I'm thinking about doing as well. So yeah, I've got a few designs there that I've spoke to people about doing, yeah, just to put on t-shirts and stuff. So something a little bit different, something a little bit fresher. But let me know if it's something that you think is a good design for t-shirts. Obviously they're a bit plainer, but the logo is basically a description of what it really is. Do you know what I mean? So obviously we've got a channel name there, and then obviously we've got the spanners and the pistons and everything like that. So it's something a little bit different, and everything like that. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. They are going to be coming available soon. I'll have people that I can get them done. I'm just going to do a small batch first, and see what people think. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments to them. So yeah, they're just the couple of designs that I've got. The new logo, which I'm going to have done, and there's a potential there for other little logos that I want to put on some just like little sort of things here. Nothing major, but yeah, just on plain black t-shirts, white t-shirts, or whatever. I think it's just a nice design, and it illustrates what the channel's all about and everything like that. So it's not really deterring away from what it's all about. So also I have the Beetle will be coming very soon. That I'm having that. So obviously I mentioned about the truck stuff. That's a little bit more of an investment. That's a lot, quite a substantial bit more money. So that'll be something that will be happening. The Beetle thing will be happening. I will do a video of when that gets here. That'll be very soon. We'll do a video walking around of it, what we've got, what I've got planned. I've already saw some bits that I want to put on, some upgraded stuff. So we've got that. I'm also on the hunt for a Mark 5 Fiesta ZTS. That's going to be mine as my little bit of a... Obviously, I have the BM, so that's going to be my little bit of a toy. I've got some things that I'm looking at doing on that. But yeah, but trying to find one at a decent price is hard work, because car prices are absolutely through the roof at the minute. The only reason I wanted one of them is that it's a car I had as a young a young lad, and I loved it. Like, I'll try and find you one and see if I can find one. So yeah, I had one as a young person, and it's something that I've always really liked. And yeah, but trying to find one is hard work. Let me just show you. I'll quickly turn it around and I'll show you. So yeah, there's a Mark 5 ZTS, only little 1.6. If you haven't seen Jamie FYD's video on it, go and watch that car. It's unbelievable. Yeah, so there is our thing. So yeah, trying to find one now is hard work, because they're either scrapped or people want crazy money for them. Reason behind that one is, obviously, I'm going to the Isle of Wight in May. That's I went to the Ford takeover one they did, but this is just like a general car one that I'm going to be going to. So great weekend over the Isle of Wight. If you've never been to the Isle of Wight, go and check it out, because it's such an amazing place. But yeah, I'm going to hopefully be able to get one. If it hasn't got MOT, we'll get it MOT. We'll do any bits on it, and then I'm going to drive it all the way to the Isle of Wight, drive it around, and obviously drive back, and then we're going to be starting to do bits to that as well. So the BM ain't going to be doing anything to that really, just general wear and servicing and all that sort of stuff. I'm not going to record that. I might record doing a service, but that'll be it. That is just my general day-to-day hauler of a car that just does everything I need to do. It's an unreal car. So yeah, obviously this video is a little bit different. Loads of things going on. So we've got the logo stuff that will be coming, and t-shirts will be coming in the next 2 weeks. We've got the Beetle, which will be coming in the next probably potential of 2 weeks. I'm looking for another car. Whether I film bits on that, I might do, I don't know yet. We've got new banners, we've got new logos, we've got loads of different things coming on. So really, I'm at the point now where I've got the channel to a good point where I want to take it that little bit further now, and really start branching out and doing just different things as well, because the truck stuff, I love doing that, and I'm going to keep doing that. But sometimes you can't always film, and you can't always... Sometimes the content that I want to film is the same as what I've already done. So there is that, and that's what I've bought the Beetle in, to do bits on that, and I'm going to be learning stuff on it and everything like that. So it's something totally different. Obviously, some of you may like it, some of you may not like it. That's totally fine. Each to their own and that. So, but yeah, I hopefully looking to take this channel further. And once I can get the Beetle done, and then what I'll do with that, I don't know yet. That'll be a potential of maybe selling on, I don't know. But then I'll be looking along the truck line eventually. Hopefully towards the end of this year, I'm hoping I can get my hands on one. That's what I'm hoping, which will be incredible. So obviously, yeah, there's a lot to take in. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Obviously, it's a little bit different to what you used to. It's more of like a catch up and everything like that, and what I've got planned and what I'm doing. Keep checking out on the channel, because the new logo will be coming up, the new banner will be coming up. I have a new intro video that will be coming in my next video. The t-shirts, when I get them done and everything, I'll do a short video on them, showing them, because the people that I've got to supply, they're real good quality. They're not cheap rubbish, do you know what I mean? So yeah, lots of things coming on. Let me know in the comments what you think to all that sort of stuff. Let me know if you've actually had one of them old Fiestas. Let me know whether you had one or not, and what your experience was. My experience was great until the engine. I had problems with the engine. I had to put piston rings and all kinds of stuff in it. But other than that, I hope you're all keeping well. I hope I'll be able to make some videos in the next 2 weeks. But we will see. But it's just a little catch-up video on what's going to be going on. So I hope you're all keeping well. If you haven't subscribed, if you can think about subscribing. If you like this video, drop a comment. Even better. And I hope I can see you all soon. enjoy the rest of your weekend. I forgot to say, didn't I? So I also have a competition. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So obviously my channel's got to the point now where I can do this. I've teamed up with my local Snap-on dealer. Some of you may not know what Snap-on, some of you may do, I don't know. But it's not going to be mad. I'm not giving away a toolbox, so I'm not making money in it. But we're just going to be giving away, I've got one upstairs actually. It's like a t-shirt with like had a Fiesta. Mine's got an XR2 on because obviously I like Fords. XR2, there's a 205 GTI on one and a Renault, I can't remember what the Renault, I think it's a Clio. But I'm going to be giving away some of them, so if you let me know your sizes, I will do them. And I'll probably give away something else as well. Not going to be massive things, but we're going to give away something. So as a thank you to all you lot for all your subscribing, all your comments, all your likes, all your interaction that you do. Yeah, okay, don't cost people anything to subscribe, but you're still watching the videos and you're still taking the time to comment and everything, which you know I appreciate. I always mention how much I appreciate everyone's interaction with me and that. So that's going to be coming. That'll be coming very, very soon. So I will be doing a video on that. There will be clauses into it to get yourself entered into it. So you'll have to, for example, you have to like the video, you'll have to comment on a video, then you'll have to go and like a page or something. So I'm going to be doing stuff like that. That's going to be coming in the next couple of weeks. So loads of things are coming on. Loads of things. So very exciting times. I'm looking forward to smashing it all out with you lot. I'm looking forward to pushing this channel even more. By the end of this year, actually no, not the end of this year, by the end of June, I'm going to be at 2K. 2K by the end of the year. End of June, sorry. That is where I'm going to be. End of this year, who knows? 5K. Let's get 5K by the end of the year. But we're going to do it. We're going to smash it. All of us together, we're going to do it. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. I'm going to let you go now. And I'll see you all in the next video.